news. Court sacked Ebony Governor Dave Umahi and his deputy over defection to APC party. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Tuesday sacked Governor Dave Umahi of Ebony State and his deputy, Dr. Eric Igwe, following their defection from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC). The court, in a judgment that was delivered by Justice Enyong Eko, heard that the total number of 393,042 votes Governor Umahi secured during the March 9, 2019 governorship election in Ebony State belongs to the PDP, and same could not be legally transferred to the APC. According to the court, having defected to the APC, both Umahi and his deputy not only gestioned the PDP but also the votes that belonged to it. It held that going by the outcome of the governorship election, the office of the governor and deputy governor in Ebony State belongs to the plaintiff and no other political party. There is no constitutional provision that made the ballot transferable from one party to the other. It held that the PDP was bound to retain the votes and mandate that was given to it by the electorate in Ebony State. As both Governor Umahi and his deputy could not validly transfer same to APC, the court therefore ordered both Umahi and Igwe to immediately vacate their positions. It ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to immediately receive from the PDP the names of persons to replace Umahi and his deputy, or in the alternative, conduct a fresh gubernatorial election in Ebony State in line with Section 177(c) in brackets of the 1999 Constitution as amended. The court further restrained both Umahi and Igwe from further parading themselves as governor or deputy governor of Ebony State. The judgment followed a suit the PDP lodged before the courts. Okay, let's see how this will go. This is a very serious judgment and should apply to all the defectors in Nigeria. You can't win votes on a particular platform and then jump to another party tomorrow. It should apply to past and present and future defectors, because these people, they are just playing with Nigerians. When they have committed a lot of atrocities, they find out that this other party, okay, this is a winning party. You see them jumping over there just to cover up, their sins. By now, you should be in Abuja holding talks with President Muhammadu Buhari on how Supreme Court will nullify this judgment. The Supreme Court judges are now smiling because their account balance will change balance. Good, we can now start talking about restructuring in Nigeria. Defection, why on seat of power should be prohibited in Nigerian politics. By this judgment, there will be discipline in party politics in Nigeria. The vote he got under a party cannot be transferred with him to another party. There was no independent candidate. Umahi was PDP and he got vote under PDP. There are still some sound judges in Nigeria. The judgment and the statement of the law is solidly perfect. Many has done this and went away with it. It does not mean it is right then. Good for him, and the beauty of our democracy, it will serve as a lesson to others. Many politicians has been doing that and they go scot-free. Now, the courts have used Dave Umahi to set example so that others can learn. Enough of this. This is a very good development. I pray the Appeal Court and Supreme Court rule is similar fashion so it becomes law in Nigeria. So fate awaits the governor of Cross River and Zamfara State. Just yesterday, the ticket he was hoping to clinch past him by today. He has been sacked. Oga David Umahi Market. It was Super Crop, and now Umahi. Is someone really the prophet, or should we expect another prophet? Release him to calm the anger of the gods of Igbo land and innocent murdered unjustly. It will be a tragedy for Ebony State indigenous to lose their best governor ever to this court judgment. It was an act of gross indiscipline in the first place, but with the kind of consciousness our politicians have, anything goes in Nigeria. Let there be light from this point if our APC court will uphold it. Okay, all right guys, these are reactions by Nigerians and they keep on talking. Some judgment should be applied. The same judgment should be applied to Zamfara governor. Meanwhile, kudos to the brave judge. All defeated politicians should be visited with such judgment. Honestly, this is the only way we can stop all these things that these politicians are doing. And that is why we are still recycling, leaders, because we are being ruled by the same set of people. They will say they are in the APC today, tomorrow they are in PDP. Different parties, but the same people ruling us and all that. That is why everything about this country is just like tradition. Not a change and all that. This sounds a very good lesson. It's a very good lesson to any politicians who are planning to do this, and even those who have done that, like the Zamfara State governor. They should also apply to him. The Cross River State governor, this is really very bad. How can you win an election in a particular party, then you there in that party, you are in the seat, you will not defer to another party? Is a very big insult, because people who voted you there, they voted you there because of the party and all that. Then you now took their vote to another party. I think this is a very good judgment. Kudos to the judge. If we are having, cases like this in Nigeria, I don't think there's going to be, there will not be too much manipulations here and there and all that. Let's see how this will go. If they will obey court orders, you understand what I mean. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts with us below the comment section, and don't forget to give us thumbs up. Thank you very much for always coming out here. Bye for now.